Today I'm working on a GE side-by-side refrigerator that's leaking water onto the floor. Model number GSE25ESHB. On this call, all of the ice is at the bottom of the freezer and right where the drain pan is. There's no ice above it. If there was ice above that area, I would start looking at the ice maker, but that's another video. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of this ice quickly. You could use a steamer. You could just unplug it and let the ice thaw naturally. That would work, but I'm in an apartment maintenance and I don't have time for that. I've got other work orders to do and I don't want to let this food spoil. So I'm gently going to break up this ice with a screwdriver. I don't want to actually poke through the plastic, which can happen. So I'm just going to keep tapping it until I'm able to get big chunks just like you see here. And make sure to have a nice clean bucket handy nearby to toss the ice in. Here's a section right above the bottom drawer. This is the drain pan where the drain line is. This is where the usual culprit happens, right in that little drain hole you see to the left. I'm just gonna gently break up all this ice in the drain pan as well, because when the freezer goes into defrost mode and melts all the frost, and if it can't drain, it's just gonna ice up and then eventually leak onto the floor. You can see right here that I'm removing the ice carefully with my hands. I do not want to cut my hands on this sharp edge, so wear gloves if you're doing this. And I stick my finger down the hole and I can feel the ice. That's what's blocking the drainage. And what I'm going to do to get this thawed out is I'm going to use a turkey baster. Now, in a perfect world, I usually carry a steamer on my car. That is the best way to unclog these frozen drain lines. But a turkey baster with hot water will work. You'll just have to fill it up a couple of times. And I just shoot the water in and I just keep sucking it up, pushing it in, sucking it up, pushing it in. And once you hear that slurp, you know that you are good to go and that drain line is pretty much clear. But I am going to fill up this turkey baster again and just run some more hot water down that drain line and get any residual ice that's around this drain pan melted and out. I don't want any ice left when I wrap this up and put all the food back in. Everything needs to be nice and dry and ice free. Anyways, hopefully this helped you fix your problem. If not, leave a comment below and let me know what's going on. Maybe I can help with the comment. Maybe not. Maybe I'll make another video. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. My name's Dave. This fix is done.